Hey, brother.
Hey, Hector.
How you doing?
Nice to see you, brother, again.
Likewise.
Welcome to my shop.
Oh, well, thank you very much. Hello, my name is Hector Velasquez, and welcome to another episode of Hector's Shop on Tour. We're in Provo, Utah, providing some technician and shop consultation services. Here with me is Ernesto. He's the equipment manager over at Riverside Country Club. Ernesto, thank you for having us. Really appreciate it.
Thank you for coming.
So you got your voltmeter out. What's going on?
You're right. We have this equipment and we have to start with the power boost a couple of times.
Yeah.
So there is a couple of issues with the charging system. I'm trying to figure out what's going on.
So we're going to test the charging system and see why the battery's not charging and see what's the problem here.
You're right.
For tools that you're going to need is a multimeter. Any multimeter would work that you can test alternating current and DC current. We're going to test the battery, so we're going to put it on direct current. The red probe goes to the positive, the black probe to the negative. Our reading is about 6.4, which is too low to start the engine. So we're going to use a jumper pack to get the engine started so we can proceed with our test. We're going to want the throttle of about 3,600 RPMs. That's about halfway. On the side of the engine, you're going to find the stator wires and the connector connected to the regulator rectifier. This puts out AC, so we're going to change it. We're going to probe, and we're going to get our reading of about 26.4, which is a good stator. Now we're going to check the direct current coming from the regulator rectifier. So we're going to plug in our stator back in, and that's the wire we're going to test. The red wire, the red probe, will connect to that, and the black to a good ground. And we're getting about 14, which is very good. So our system is charging. Battery is at fault. So we're going to replace the battery, and make sure to use an insulated wrench. Take a dedicated wrench and insulate the handle of your wrench. On this particular one, we used shrink tubing. Just slide it in there, heat it up with a heat gun, and that'll shrink all the way around your wrench. This one is a dedicated wrench that we use to remove nuts off batteries, and we don't have to worry about shorting it out. And if you don't have any shrink tubing, electrical tape works just as well. Just grab some electrical tape and wind up the whole wrench. That way you don't have to worry about shorting out your battery and getting hurt. Ernesto, I want to thank you for your time and for having us here today.
Thank you for coming and being training with you.
Oh, well, good luck to you. You're going to make a really great technician.
Thank you.
You're going to have your first season ahead of you. So I'm really excited for you. So I want to thank you guys for joining us here on Hector's Shop on Tour, educating technicians one wrench at a time.